1. Mr. Davis is building a house. What is he building? 2. What must a passenger have to use this airline? 3. This type of animal averages 20 pounds. What do we know about this type of animal? 4. I want to buy a car. Which part of the newspaper should I look in? 5. The sergeant told them to hurry up. What did he want them to do? 6. The weatherman says it will freeze tonight. What does he mean? 7. The weather report is received daily. When do we get the report? 8. Joe is in the Navy. 9. John attends the university. 10. The soldiers had to go through the jungle by foot. 11. Bob needs to do his laundry. 12. Jack said, "Please don't bother me. This has to be finished in an hour." What did he want? 13. Rebecca wanted cash for her car when she sold it. What did she want? 14. Mary has a good career. What does she have? 15. Joe has had a lot of correspondence from his friend. What has he had? 16. Why did you grab the handbrake? 17. The dentist said that Mr. Brown has a large cavity. What does Mr. Brown need? 18. The sign said, "Keep out." What did it say? 19. Jenny filled out the application. What did she do? 20. The boy covered his head because it was so cold. 21. Carl's studying chemistry at school. What's he studying? 22. If a man says that perhaps he will come, what does he mean? 23. Why couldn't the pilot see the runway? 24. My roommate's watch keeps good time. 25. Margaret looks like her father.
26. Tom said, "These apples are spoiled." What did he say about the apples?
27. That sounds like a helicopter. 28. John does his homework at his desk. 29. George got a piece of steel in his eye. What was in his eye? 30. Lieutenant Smith has the authority to make those decisions. What does she have? 31. They have many strange ideas. What kind of ideas do they have? 32. This example is comparable to the first one. What kind of examples are they? 33. She chose the early flight. What did she do? 34. The chemist performed an analysis of this liquid. Why did he do so? 35. Would you like to have a bath before dinner? 36. My trousers are completely worn out. What should I do with them?
37. John usually goes to bed at 11 o'clock.
38. All the students left except Jeff. He was told to sit tight. What was Jeff told to do? 39. How many pounds have you put on since you arrived at the language school? 40. She slipped on the sidewalk. 41. Peter folded the paper carefully. 42. The road was curved. 43. Mrs. Sanders couldn't bear the pain of her broken leg. 44. The police are investigating the homicide case. 45. The streets were teeming with people. 46. Do you care about your job? 47. Alan bought some nuts and bolts. What will he do with them? 48. Sue bought some tableware for the occasion. What did she buy? 49. The mechanic detected a small crack in the blade. 50. There is a level place to have our picnic. 51. Helen Jordan is an asset to the organization. 52. In this coded message, each number represents a letter of the alphabet. 53. What causes a generation gap? 54. The doctor had to extract the splinter from my finger. 55. Why did the welder use goggles?
56. Ted said he would have a bit more. How much did he want?
57.
What did your son do after finishing high school?
He became a policeman.
58.
Did you enjoy your dinner at the new restaurant?
Uh-huh. Everything except the vegetables.
59.
Doctor, won't you help us?
I can't. I don't have my instruments.
What does the doctor need? 60.
This heat is terrible.
Yes, it really makes me tired, and I'm thirsty too.
Why don't we get a cold drink?
That's a good idea.
61.
What are you looking at?
The compass.
What does he want to know? 62.
Is this all right?
I don't know. We need to measure it first.
What does the man want to do first? 63.
What's the matter?
That man tried to grab my purse.
What has happened? 64.
How's Bob doing?
He's okay now. He just needed some first aid treatment.
What did Bob need? 65.
What is your boss like?
Oh, she's very sweet. In fact, she's too sweet sometimes. You're not sure you can trust her.
66.
Janet has been down in the dumps for days.
I know. I've noticed a change in her too.